number of ways how to clean a laptop screen. During this time when everyone is globally connected with phone or laptop, it is very important to clean your laptop screen. Our discussion will be based on this topic today. There are several ways to clean a laptop screen using homemade solution, special cleaning clothes, and items found around the house. It is important to use proper technique to avoid causing damage to the screen, that is LCD screen. What is the full form? Liquid crystal display. Monitors are easily scratched and some caution is necessary to keep your screen in top condition. An absorbent cotton cloth should be used to clean a laptop screen, and never a polyester blend. Polyester contains filament which can scratch the sensitive LCD monitor. Paper towels, napkin and tissue should also be avoided, as they contain wood fibers which may damage the screen. Microfiber clothes are the best choice. If available, are safe to use on almost any surface. If unable to find microfiber, a piece of an old cotton t-shirt may be used safely. Create a homemade solution for cleaning your laptop screen by combining equal part of isopropyl alcohol and distilled water. Do not use tap water as it contains mineral deposit that may cause tracking and spotting on the computer screen. First, shut off the computer. Wipe the screen with dry cloth to remove any dust or debris. Then soak a second cloth in alcohol solution and wring out thoroughly. Do not use a saturated cloth or the solution may dip into other area of the computer causing damage. Wipe the laptop screen gently, moving in one direction until the entire surface has been cleaned. Do not scrub, as this can scratch the screen or cause dark spot to area, even when using a soft cloth. Wipe with a dry cloth to remove any excess liquid from the computer screen. Store any leftover solution in a lidded plastic container or a spray bottle. If using a spray bottle, remember never to spray screen with a solution directly. To clean a laptop screen without using liquid, anti-static cloth can be purchased at many computer, hardware and office supply stores or order online. These clothes are typically recommended by laptop manufacturer as a safe and easy way to clean laptop screen. They will remove dust, dirt and fingerprint with ease without streaking or scratching surface. Microfiber cloth soaked in a pre-made solution can also be purchased to clean a laptop screen. There is an often expensive and contain nothing more than alcohol and water solution described above. Therefore, a convenient way to clean a LCD monitor. But if budget is concerned, making your own cleaner is recommended. So, from this, you will now complete or you can make your new recommended cleaner to clean your laptop. We hope you will clean your laptop according to the suggested way. That's all for today. Have a great day ahead.